Hello everyone and welcome back to the English Nexora channel, where learning English becomes simple and enjoyable. How are you today? I am Michael, and today I am here with Sarah. We are going to talk about My Alarm Never Rang.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here with Michael today. Let's start our conversation.
Hi Sarah, how are you today?
Hi, Michael. I am doing very well. How about you?
I'm doing well now, but yesterday morning was very stressful.
Really?
Yes, my alarm never rang.
Oh no, that sounds terrible.
It was.
What happened?
I woke up very late.
How late were you?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock every morning.
That is a good time.
Yes, but yesterday I opened my eyes and looked at my phone.
Then what happened?
I saw that it was already 8 o'clock.
Wow, that is 2 hours late.
Exactly. I could not believe it.
What was your first thought?
My first thought was about work.
Did you have something important that day?
Yes, I had a meeting with my manager.
Oh no, that sounds serious.
It was very important.
Were you worried?
Very worried.
What did you do next?
I jumped out of bed immediately.
Did you get ready quickly?
Yes, much faster than usual.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I did not have time.
Not even a little?
Not even a little.
Wow.
I brushed my teeth, got dressed, and packed my bag.
How long did that take?
Maybe 5 minutes.
That is very fast.
I know.
Were you still worried?
Yes, I was thinking about the meeting the whole time.
Did you know why the alarm did not ring?
Not at first.
What did you think happened?
I thought maybe I forgot to set it.
Did you check?
Yes, later I checked my phone.
What did you find?
The alarm was set correctly.
Really?
Yes.
Then why did it not ring?
My phone battery died during the night.
Ah, now it makes sense.
I forgot to charge my phone before going to bed.
That can happen to anyone.
It was my mistake.
Do you usually charge your phone every night?
Most of the time.
But not that night.
No, I was tired and forgot.
That is understandable.
Have you ever missed an alarm?
Yes, I have.
Really?
Yes, it happened when I was in college.
What happened?
I stayed awake very late studying for an exam.
Then you were very tired?
Extremely tired.
Did the alarm ring?
Yes, but I did not hear it.
Oh no.
I slept through it.
Were you late?
Yes, I was late for class.
That must have been embarrassing.
It was.
What did your teacher say?
My teacher asked why I was late.
What did you tell her?
I told her the truth.
Did she understand?
Yes, but she told me to be more careful.
That sounds fair.
I think so too.
Sometimes one small mistake can create a big problem.
I agree.
While I was getting ready, I kept looking at the clock.
Why?
Because every minute felt important.
That makes sense.
I wanted to leave the house as quickly as possible.
Did you forget anything because you were in a hurry?
Luckily, no.
That's good.
I checked my wallet, keys, and work ID before leaving.
Smart idea.
I did not want another problem.
I understand.
Then I ran outside and got into my car.
Were the roads busy?
Yes, very busy.
Oh no, that made things worse.
Exactly.
What were you thinking during the drive?
I was hoping I could still arrive on time.
Were you checking the clock often?
Every few minutes.
That sounds stressful.
It really was.
Did anyone call you from work?
Not yet.
That was lucky.
Yes, I was happy about that.
What happened as you got closer to work?
Something unexpected happened.
Really?
Yes. I suddenly saw a very long line of cars ahead of me.
Was there a traffic problem?
I wasn't sure.
What did you do?
I slowed down and looked ahead.
Could you see what was happening?
Not clearly.
That sounds worrying.
It was. At that moment, I realized my morning might become even more difficult.
Really?
Yes, as I got closer to the line of cars, I realized the traffic was not moving.
Oh no.
Yes, every car was stopped.
What did you do?
I looked at the clock again.
How did you feel?
I felt very nervous.
I can understand that.
The meeting was getting closer and closer.
Did you know why the traffic stopped?
Not at first.
Then what happened?
After a few minutes, I saw flashing lights ahead.
Really?
Yes, there had been a small accident on the road.
Was anyone hurt?
I don't think so.
That's good.
Yes, safety is the most important thing.
I agree.
The police were helping drivers move safely.
Did the traffic start moving again?
Slowly.
That sounds stressful.
It was. I kept watching the time.
Did you call your office?
Yes, I called my manager.
What did you say?
I explained that I was stuck in traffic.
Did he understand?
Yes, he was very kind.
That was nice of him.
I thought so too.
Did that help you relax?
A little.
Then what happened?
After about 20 minutes, traffic started moving normally again.
Were you happy?
Very happy.
Did you arrive at work soon after that?
Yes, I finally arrived at the office.
Were you late?
Only a few minutes late.
That's not too bad.
It could have been much worse.
What happened when you entered the office?
My coworkers smiled when they saw me.
Why?
Because I looked tired and stressed.
That's funny.
I laughed too.
Did you tell them about your alarm?
Yes, I told them everything.
What did they say?
They shared their own stories.
Really?
Yes, one coworker forgot to charge his phone before an important trip.
Wow.
Another coworker turned the alarm off by mistake.
That's interesting.
We all laughed together.
Sometimes stressful moments become funny stories later.
I agree.
Did the meeting go well?
Yes, much better than I expected.
That sounds great.
I was prepared, so everything went smoothly.
Good job.
Thank you.
Did you feel better after the meeting?
Yes, I felt relaxed for the first time that day.
That must have been a good feeling.
It was.
What did you do after work?
When I got home, I started thinking about the day.
What were you thinking about?
I was thinking about what I learned.
What lessons did you learn?
First, always charge your phone before sleeping.
Good advice.
Second, prepare everything the night before.
I agree.
Third, stay calm when problems happen.
That is very important.
Panicking never helps.
That's true.
I also decided to make some changes.
Like what?
I bought a small alarm clock.
Really?
Yes, now I have a backup alarm.
That's smart.
I also put my phone charger next to my bed.
So you won't forget?
Exactly.
That sounds like a good plan.
It has worked well so far.
Have you missed an alarm since then?
No, not once.
Wonderful.
Every night I check my phone battery before sleeping.
That has become a habit now.
Yes.
Habits can make life easier.
I agree. Looking back now, are you still upset about that morning?
No, not anymore.
Why not?
Because everything turned out okay.
That's true.
And I learned something useful.
Sometimes difficult days teach the best lessons.
I think so too. Do you think many people have experienced something similar?
Definitely.
I agree.
Almost everyone has overslept at least once.
That makes me feel better.
Me too.
And now we have a question for our listeners.
Have you ever woken up late because your alarm didn't ring?
What happened after that?
Were you late for work, school, or an important event?
Please write your answer in the comments.
We would love to hear your story.
And if you're enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for supporting English Nexora.
Your support helps us create more English learning content.
We truly appreciate it.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
Keep practicing English every day.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!